How's it going, everybody? This afternoon, Liz and I are out doing the chicken coop area over here. We haven't been putting out a ton of videos because we've been moving, and moving's kind of boring, I think, to video. So that's the reason we haven't been pumping them out. We haven't been doing much out here, but we need to get the chickens moved soon. So we are out here. We're gonna clear our little chicken pen. Would it be a chicken pen? I guess.
Trail going, so
Yeah, there's like a natural game trail, regular game trail.
chicken habitat.
Yeah, right. They're a bird. I think they'll like it. They're gonna have a heyday picking through all these leaves and bushes and stuff, trying to find some grubs and some worms and some bugs.
I think it'll be a good spot.
I think it'll be sweet. It'll be perfect. Kind of tucked away from our place a little bit, and yeah, move the coop down here. We gotta show people this coop that we got.
It's pretty sweet.
It's like the best coop ever. It is. Self-composting.
It's perfect.
It's prime. So we'll show people us moving it in here. First, we gotta clear all of it out. You're fine. Nice.
Throw the rest of them.
It's going up pretty smooth. This fence is actually really easy to work with. It's really hard to see. You can just stomp down a little path for it to run through, and as you're putting it on, just push down. Yeah. Look at that. Liz just screws it to the tree. Puts a screw in it and hooks it. See? Yep, just hooks it just like that. There you go. Nice job. So this will be our coop, a little close to the road there, but we figured this probably keep predators away. I mean, that's got all this coverage, but we're close just over there. So, yeah. Be a sweet little coop, huh, babe?
I think they're gonna love it.
Might be a good dog pen, too. Look at you. Why do you eat that? You're a nut, June. So yeah, we'll bring them over, and they're not gonna know what hit them. They're gonna wake up in a new house.
Their new home.
Yep. Oh, let me get the gate for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Brand new chicken yard.
All right. Oop.
Grab all this. A little dangerous.
Oh, I'll grab this pounder here.
Okay.
That fence is sharp.
Seriously. Watch out, dogs. Watch out. Go. Go. Ooh.
It's almost self-closing gate. Almost. So that's it. We're gonna leave that for now, and we'll bring the chicken coop over and put it in that little spot over there, and it'll be cool. I'm not too sure about it yet.
Zoom. Out.
Hey, get out of the chicken coop.
Sit.
Chicken coop is in. Chickens seem pretty happy, curious for sure at their new home. I wanted to show people why this is the best chicken coop ever. It's super simple to make. I think I used, what, 2 2x4s, a sheet of 3/8 plywood, and a pallet. So you open this up back here. We need to do some better boxes, but we have our laying boxes back here. And this thing composts itself because the pallet is the floor. So all of their shit falls right through underneath. And then we just come out and we can move the coop right over and clean it out. It's super easy. It's super efficient. And the chickens love it. It's a little drafty for the winter, so in the winter we'll just put a heat lamp up right in the corner over there. This is the easiest chicken coop there is ever. It's self-composting. It's great. I don't think we've cleaned this once. And if you ever do have to clean it, you just drag a hose over here and just spray it out. Because all the stuff goes right down underneath. So this is it. And we just close this and latch it. And as you can see, we have 6 chickens in there. I think there's room for another 4 to 6. They all use the one roost bar. They don't even use the higher roost bar, and all 6 of them fit on there. So I think we can easily fit another 6 in here. But yeah, and then we just got a little ladder where they go in and out as they please. I think, and I can't remember, but I think I only had to buy the sheet of plywood. It was like maybe 20 bucks. Oh yeah, and then the electrical, that's, you know, we'll run this cord up to an outlet so we have power out here. We'll heat their water and keep them warm in the winter. But yeah, nothing to it. In my opinion, it really is the best chicken coop ever. It's so simple and it's self-composting, so there you have it. Thanks for watching.